So a month and a half after first getting the 11M Pro, it's held up pretty good. It's broken in a little bit, and I can tell because it's gotten a little bit looser and a bit floppier with the turning, but it's still up there with, my favorite cubes. I think that and the Tangian version 1 are probably two of my favorite cubes at the moment, so it's still really, really, really good. Whether it's my main, honestly, it just depends on what mood my fingers are in. This average here, 724, is pretty good for me. I think PB is about 674, so half a second off, which is pretty good. But 7 averages are becoming more common, so it's good. It's nothing ridiculous because the 11M Pro, it gets me good averages, as you can see.